Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. Today's video is going to be so much fun. I'm going to be showing you guys how to do it yourself Starbucks medicine ball at the crib. So the medicine ball is supposed to help relieve like cold symptoms. If your throat's sore, that will help it feel so much better. The first time I had it was when I was in Vegas, and y'all, I felt so much better after I finished drinking it. So even if you're not having any cold-like symptoms and you just want some hot tea, this drink is for you. All right, here we go. So first things first, you'll need some water. I use Simply Lemonade. Cup, of course, you can't drink tea without a cup. And you have your tea right here, Peach Tranquility. And it has chamomile and notes of citrus in it with no caffeine. Yeah, this one's caffeine free. And we have Jade Citrus Mint with spearmint and lemongrass, and the caffeine level in this is level 2. And you need your honey. I don't have a tea kettle, so I'm gonna go old school and boil it on the stove. Well, not really boil it, but you know what I mean. I wonder if that's even old school. Anywho, so what I normally do is I do half water. So I do it this way because I like to see exactly how much will fit inside my cup. So now I'm gonna take my Simply Lemonade. I'm so goofy. And I'm gonna pour it in. So I have it in there. All right, so I'm just gonna pour it in here into the pot. That wasn't supposed to happen. I'm just being a little messy. So now I'm gonna put the pot on the stove and turn it to about, let's say, maybe 6. If I'm feeling a little impatient, okay, I might do 8 or high. But just basically let it sit here until it starts to steam. So things are starting to heat up, baby. I don't know what that was, but I'm gonna stir it. I'm gonna cut it off and get my tea bags. Definitely save a lot of money by doing this. And you can get these tea bags from Target. It's about $6 each, but it's worth it. They come with, I think, 15. 15? Yep, 15. So I'm going to, oops. That's like my second time messing up. Well, I can use it still. So I'm going to throw it in there. Let me open this up. And I have my Peach Tranquility. And dip it in the bag. Well, dip it in the pot. And, oh crap. Let's not do that. Alright. So I'm gonna let that sit for about, what did it say? This one says 5 minutes steep time, but I think this one says 2. So we're just gonna go with 5 minutes. And I'm gonna cut this on low, just so it won't get cold. Okay, well, I don't feel like waiting any longer, so I'm just gonna pour this in my cup. Take my cup. Okay, hopefully I don't make a mess like last time. Going to, oh crap. You guys probably think I'm so messy. Shoot. Okay. Ta-da! And I'm going to drizzle a little bit of honey in there. I normally like to get like organic honey from farms, but kind of in a pandemic. So I went with clover honey from Publix. Got my lid on. It's probably too hot to drink. Delicious. But thank you guys for tuning into my video. I hope you guys enjoyed it. If you did, even if you didn't, thanks for watching till the end. But make sure you like this video and subscribe, and I'll see you guys next time. Peace. I gotta clean this up. I'm such a mess.